Have you ever found yourself waking up once, twice, or maybe even 3 times a night just to pee? You're not alone. Frequent urination at night, or nocturia, affects millions of people, and it's not just a minor inconvenience. It could be your body's way of signaling something deeper. Today, we'll explore the real causes behind nighttime urination, how it's linked to conditions like diabetes, heart failure, and even sleep disorders. And most importantly, we'll cover natural, science-backed ways to regain control of your bladder and your sleep. Frequent urination at night, medically known as nocturia, refers to waking up 1 or more times to urinate during your sleep. While it's common to wake up occasionally, chronic nocturia can disrupt sleep cycles, lead to fatigue, and even increase the risk of chronic health problems. Studies published in the Journal of Urology show that over 60% of adults over 50 experience nocturia, but younger adults can be affected too, especially if underlying health issues are at play. To fix nocturia, you need to understand that at night, your body should release anti-diuretic hormone to concentrate urine. It should also shift fluid from tissues back into the bloodstream gradually, not all at once. And it should maintain bladder muscle tone to hold urine comfortably. When this process breaks down, whether from aging, disease, or habits, nocturia follows. Now let's break down the top causes, both lifestyle-related and medical-related, that could be triggering those nighttime bathroom trips. Bladder dysfunction and overactive bladder. An overactive bladder causes the bladder muscles to contract involuntarily, even when the bladder isn't full. Hormonal changes. As we age, the body produces less anti-diuretic hormone, which helps us retain fluid at night. In women, menopause often weakens the pelvic floor muscles and changes bladder sensitivity. Diabetes, type 1 and type 2. High blood sugar levels increase urine output. Chronic kidney disease, CKD. The kidneys lose their filtering capacity, causing fluid imbalance. Heart disease. Excess fluid builds up during the day and shifts when lying down, increasing urine production at night. Obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. Interrupted breathing during sleep triggers hormones that increase urine production. In men, an enlarged prostate can block the urethra, leading to incomplete bladder emptying, causing frequent urges, day and night. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. In both men and women, infections can irritate the bladder lining, increasing urgency and frequency. However, drinking too much water, tea, or alcohol in the evening can increase urine production. Caffeine and alcohol are diuretics, meaning they stimulate the kidneys to produce more urine. Now let's discuss diagnosis and when to see a doctor. If you're waking up more than twice a night to urinate, or if nocturia comes with pain, burning sensation, or blood in the urine, or if your legs swell, it's time to consult a healthcare provider. Diagnosing nocturia typically involves tracking fluid intake and urination times, urine tests, blood sugar checks, and sleep studies. If apnea is suspected, doctors may recommend several treatments based on the underlying cause, such as medications for overactive bladder, like anticholinergics. Prostate medications are often suggested for men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. Diuretics can be prescribed, but these are usually taken in the morning for those dealing with heart-related nocturia. And for sleep apnea, continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP, can be quite effective. But what if you prefer natural approaches first? The good news: several scientifically supported natural strategies can improve nocturia and bladder control. Reduce fluids 2 to 3 hours before bed, especially alcohol and caffeine. Kegel exercises can strengthen pelvic floor muscles and work for both women and men. Limit bladder irritants like spicy foods, acidic fruits, and artificial sweeteners. Increase intake of magnesium-rich foods. Research suggests magnesium supports muscle relaxation, including in the bladder. Pumpkin seed extract also improves bladder function in both men and women. Obesity increases pressure on the bladder and contributes to metabolic syndrome, a known nocturia risk factor. Engage in regular physical activity to improve circulation, fluid balance, and insulin sensitivity, all of which play roles in managing nocturia. Frequent urination at night isn't just annoying. It's a red flag from your body. Whether it's a sign of diabetes, heart issues, or simply poor bladder habits, the good news is that natural strategies can make a difference. Start by tracking your symptoms, adjusting your fluids, and incorporating bladder-friendly foods and exercises. Subscribe to the Mindhunters if you want more science-backed health tips. Share this video with family and friends. Let's help each other sleep better, naturally.